Hello students, now here we are going to demonstrate the activity regarding to the osmosis. Okay, you have already studied about the process of the osmosis. So here we are going to explain the activity regarding to the osmosis, that what happened in the osmosis process. Clear? So this is the activity regarding to the osmosis topic. Okay, so what happened in this activity and what we have to do? So first we have to take the two potato. One is normal potato like this. Suppose that this is a ball and this is another ball, and we have taken a normal potato here, and we have taken a boiled potato here, like in A in normal potato, like in B ball boiled potato. Okay, normal potato and boiled potato. And now make a hole in each of these potato. Clear? But this hole will not go up to the bottom. Okay, ये होल आप इस तरह से बनाएंगे कि ये होल अक्रॉस नहीं होना चाहिए, पोटैटो के आर पार नहीं होना चाहिए, यानी कि जो बॉटम है वो उसमें होल नहीं होना चाहिए, वो केवल उसके मिड तक रहे। यानी कि आपको इस तरह से होल अरेंज करना है कि वो उसके मिड तक पहुंच पाए, आर पार ना हो पाए। ओके, तो नाउ इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? तो in next step we have to pour a little salt in each hole, like you can say like this. Okay, yeah, yes, and like this. So you have to pour a small salt like here in this pour. Okay, and also salt you will have to pour here in this hole. Okay, so now I am repeating here. First you have to take two separate ball, A and B, and second you will have to take the normal potato in A ball and boiled potato in B ball. Okay, or pot you can say. Clear? And next step you will have to make a small pour in a normal potato and also in boiled potato. Clear? But the whole you will have to make that this will not go up to the bottom. Okay, will not go across the bottom, यानी कि ये मिड तक होना चाहिए, आर पार नहीं होना चाहिए होल को. Clear? And next step you will have to pour a little salt in each hole of the potato. Clear? In A and also B. And in last step what we have to do? In last step you will have to pour also a little water in surrounding. Okay, this is the water in surrounding. Clear? And also you will have to pour a little water in surrounding of the potato or in each ball or pot. Okay, and let them for 30 minutes for observation. Okay, अब इसके बाद इसको हमें ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए छोड़ देना है. ठीक है, and after 30 minutes you will observe that in a potato that the water will start to move inside a hole. Okay, and the water you will observe in the hole. So this I am again repeating that what happened in A, that the water will start to move from outside towards the hole of the potato. So the reason is that behind कि water from higher concentration outside, water will be in higher concentration, but there is no water in a hole and there will be a salt. So from higher concentration the water will start to move towards the hole that will have the salt, that is the higher concentration, and that is only through the semi permeable membrane, that is in normal potato. But in boiled potato, the semi permeable membrane will be destroyed, and that's why there will be no water in the whole of the boiled water. ओके, यहाँ पर आप वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करेंगे इस होल के अंदर, जबकि यहाँ बॉइल्ड जो पोटैटो है देयर विल बी नो वाटर इन द होल. ओके, so this is the observation. So A will demonstrate the osmosis because of having the semi permeable membrane in potato, but in B there will be no osmosis because of the boiling. The semi permeable membrane has been destroyed. Okay, still if you have any confusion then you can discuss with me.